This is the fielding and defensive positions on a baseball field. Okay. You can see there's 10 different positions on a baseball field because at our age group, age level, we have 10 players. So you can see the P getting big for the pitcher. Then we have the catcher behind home plate. Then we go over to first base, 1B, 2B is second base. Then we go over to third base. You can see it getting bigger. And then we come back to shortstop. I'll explain that here in just a little bit. Now, first, what I want you to do, I want you to look at the infield. And as I said, we went from pitcher to catcher, then to first, second, and over to third. Then we went back to shortstop. Okay. You'll see why that makes sense and why that happens here in just a little bit. Going out to the outfield, LF stands for left field. And then we have center field, then right field over between first and second base. And then in our age division, because we have 10 players on the field, we have the rover position. So that's what the ROV is. Okay. So real quick, I'm going to show you the numbers on a field just so you know. And then we'll go back to using first base, second base, pitcher, catcher, right field, things like that. Okay. So here are the numbers on a field. And the reason I'm showing you this is so that if you're watching a game and the announcer says they made a 4-3 put out, what that means is they hit the ball to the 4 position, which the 4 position in this instance is the second base player. The second base player threw it over to first base, and the number 3 position caught the ball. Okay, so that's a 4-3 put out. If announcer says they have a 4-6-3 double play, that means the ball was hit to the 4 position, the second baseman. They threw to the shortstop, who was covering second for the first out, the number 6 position, and then the number 6 position threw to first base for the second out, which is the number 3 position. Okay, so just really quickly, so you could kind of see what all these numbers mean.